Linux Basics. Episode 2, Files and Folders. In this episode, we'll learn the core file operations, creating, copying, moving, and reading files, all from the terminal. Every file starts somewhere. The touch command creates a new empty file. Here we run touchnotes.txt. And just like that, notes.txt exists. We can verify it with ls. But here's the interesting part. If we peek inside with cat, there's nothing there. Touch creates the file but doesn't write anything into it. Think of it like creating a blank document. To stay organized, we need folders. mkdir, make directory, creates a new folder. Here we make one called projects. Now when we run ls, we see both notes, txt, and projects. Notice the trailing slash on projects. That's how ls tells you it's a directory, not a regular file. CP copies files. It takes two arguments, the source and the destination. Here we copy notes, txt, to backup.txt. Now we have two identical files. The original stays exactly where it was. MV does double duty. It moves and renames files. Here we move backup.txt into the projects folder. After the move, backup.txt lives inside projects, not in our home directory. Listing the projects folder confirms it's there. RM removes files permanently. There's no recycle bin in the terminal. Once something's gone, it's gone. Running RM notes, txt deletes our file, and ls confirms it's no longer here. Always double-check before you RM. Sometimes you just want to peek at a file without opening it in an editor. Head shows the first few lines, tail shows the last few. Here we use head-on /etc/passwd, the system's user database, 3 lines from the top. Now tail shows us the last 3. These commands are perfect for checking log files or configuration files quickly. That covers the core file operations in Linux. You now know touch to create, mkdir for folders, cp to copy, mv to move, rm to remove, and cat, head, and tail to read. In the next episode, we'll look at file permissions, who can read, write, and execute your files.